Loving the Jordans, bro.
Thanks. Welcome to RC Plane and Sand. It's our first video, and so this is the plane that we'll be flying today. It's a little RC jet, very easy to control, and this is the controller that we got, very low quality. And we're gonna take this thing for a fly. This is our first little launch right here.
Woo! Get up, get up! Failed attempt number 1. Oh, we got it up! Oh, yeah!
Bro!
Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Oh, yeah. Attempt number 2. Oh, yeah, we're up.
Okay. Alright. We'll just give you a long little video on how to fly this thing.
Wait, where did it go? Oh, wait, where did it go? Oh, there it is. This baby is flying like
A little flyby by the cameraman.
woo-wee.
I'll
What is
get a
that?
little closer and do a little landing.
All right, let's see this baby land. Holy moly, it's gliding.
I'm gonna catch it, alright?
Oh, he's trying to catch it.
Oh!
You suck, bro. What the heck was that? Oh my gosh.
Alright, we're gonna do a little cameraman
yeah.
Walker flying.
I'm going low to the ground. Oh! Oh, yeah, that was clean, bro. Coming back. Woohoo!
He's doing a beautiful job.
Dropping down. Wait, I'm getting called. Never mind.
Bring it over to us.
Oh, shoot. I'm lost. Oh my gosh! I was over the...
Alright.
I crashed.
Beautiful flying
I'm getting called.
Walker.
I'm getting called.
And
yeah.
we'll be back when we find it.
Trick flying. He does not know what he's doing, bro. This kid. He sounds like a nerd, bro. Oh! Oh my gosh, it's coming. It hit me, bro! It hit me! That thing is evil, bro. What are you doing, you freaking... Bro, I'm about to be... He's landing it. Woo-wee! Wait, okay, there it is. That was not a good landing, bro. Oh, look at that. Wait, what?
Also, if we want to throw it at Walker.
No! Stop it! Oh! Wait, where'd he go? It's so hard to keep track of it. Where'd it go? I just hear it getting closer and I can't see it in the trees. Oh, wow.
Did you see that?
Oh, he hits the hoop! Dang. Teacher does not know what he's doing, bro.
Hey, bro.
Look at
Alright,
him.
we're gonna land on the little thing over there.
What thing, bro?
Alright.
Ooh.
Got it up in the air.
Okay, cruising. I can't see it, bro. I'm kind of an L cameraman. Oh, that was so bad. All those people in there just died, TJ. Oh my gosh.
Alright, let's do one last one where we just go around.
He's coming at me. It's not going up. No. Oh yeah, we got it levitating. Bro, he's so... Oh wait, it landed.
Fly it again.
Oh, let's go. What? No, wait, bro, you bully.
Controller?
Bro, you're a literal bully.
Here, just take the controller.
Take the camera.
I'll take the camera, you take the controller.
You better be a good cameraman, because everybody likes me.
Who do you think's a better
Oh my
cameraman?
gosh!
Me or
I am a
Walker?
better cameraman than you, bro. Uh-oh. We just... Oh,
Emergency landing. Turn the engines off.
They are off. How do you turn the freaking engines
I'm about to
off?
pull a Mr. Beast. If you land this good, I will give you a full $1.
Oh my gosh.
Alright.
Bro.
Here, I'll help you
Wait,
get
I
it
turned
up.
off. Wait, no, I'm chilling.
Full speed. Go up, make the throttle go up and down. Alright. Let's see, if you land the smoothie,
I can't see it.
$1. Alright guys, vote in. If you want, you can leave a like and subscribe.
TJ, you said we wouldn't do that. Bro, we're not trying to be like freaking
Yeah,
Mr. Beast out there. He's like, bro, can you comment in under 5 seconds? It's not possible, bro. It's a myth. It's like
Yeah.
something. Like,
Alright.
anyway, bro. Peace out, bro.
Yeah,
we
bye.
dipping.
Thank you.